Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to undervolt your CPU. Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video. So head to BIOS. So obviously if you don't know how to head to BIOS, you spam enter, delete and F2 when your PC is booting up. So that'll lead you to BIOS. By the way guys, I've recently upgraded my PC, so I now currently have an MSI motherboard, but if any of you use Asus, I also know how to do Asus. So just drop a comment down below and I'll show you Asus, but it's very similar. Head down to OC and this is your overclocking settings, etc. right? So what you want to do is scroll down all the way to CPU core voltage mode. This should be the same no matter what motherboard you're using. So it's on default, it should be auto. So what you want to do is click on the setting, go down to offset mode, click on offset mode, and you'll be given two new settings: CPU core voltage offset mode and CPU core voltage offset. So with these two new settings, with the first one you'll be given an option with plus or minus. You want to select minus. That's basically bringing down the voltage. And with this number, right, you have to experiment. So you have to dedicate some time to experiment, going back and forward, testing it. So what I like to do is, guys, I like to start off with 0.100. That's what I like to start off with. Head to settings, click save, save, change and reboot, and put your CPU under stress and test out some games. If your CPU crashes, then head back to the same setting and go down by 0.005. So I am struggling to type in the audio. Yep. So go down by 0.005, reboot, and test your configurations again. If it keeps crashing or if it's unstable, keep repeating the progress until you find the sweet spot. By the way guys, undervolting does not affect performance. Actually, it improves performance because it keeps your CPU temperatures down. So my sweet spot for this motherboard anyway is 0.90. It's stable, it works well, and my CPU runs cooler than stock settings. Especially my i9 11th gen, it runs quite hot, and I do need a new AIO, which I ordered. But yeah, remember guys to head to settings, click save changes and reboot. I hope this video helped you guys. Peace out.